Hello, everyone. My name is Rodolfo, and I will be the host for this Kubernetes 1.30 release team meeting. Today is January the 31st, and we are in the week 4 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes meeting, which falls under the community's code of conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. Thanks. This meeting is being recorded, so it will be public to YouTube. So please be mindful what you say is being recorded. Let's see the open discussion items. I see the retrospective doc. So if you want to add something there and discuss that in the meeting at the end of the cycle, please add that to the document. And welcome for all the new members and attendees. And I don't see any other discussion items, so let's start with the team updates. And let's start with engagements with Mikey. Hi, Mikey.
Hey folks, good morning. So we are currently tracking one enhancement. That just means that we don't only have one enhancement, but that's just the ones that are tracked for this release. We have 11 in alpha, 19 in beta, 16 in stable, 19 at risk, and a number that we have yet to finish assessing. The reason for the yellow status is just that we are in the progress of tracking and reaching out to KEPs and owners. And we have some blockages, but we will be green as soon as those are resolved.
Great, glad to hear that. Any question for Mikey or enhancement team? If not, let's continue with release signal with Naman Black 1.
Yeah, hi everyone. So right now the signal is green. So we don't have any failing test in master blocking and master informing. So from CI signal, the signal is green. And the number of issues for flaky tests are 12 right now. And PRs for this release, 1.30 are 9, from which one is critical and urgent. And total number of issues for this release are 17 in number right now. Yeah. So
Thanks, Naman.
that's the update. Yeah.
Thanks for the update. Any question for Naman or release signal team? Thanks, Celeste, for saying that the Zoom was too in, so I just zoomed that in the document in order to see better the notes. Let's continue to the docs team with Oluwebe Princess Ekpuna, please.
Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening. I'm Princess, and I will be giving the updates for docs. Currently, our status is green. We had the shadow onboarding and orientation completed this week. We're also on track for weekly branch syncs twice a week. Yeah. And then tasks have been assigned to all team members on the docs team. We're also waiting for the enhancement freeze to be able to have the first docs deadline, which is scheduled for week 7. That's the updates for the docs team.
Excellent. Let's wait for that week from enhancements. Is there any question to Princess or docs team? If not, let's continue with release notes with Nina.
Nina from Release Notes. Our status is currently yellow, and we have 2 updates. The status is yellow because we're awaiting the Alpha 1 branch release to start the Release Notes draft PR creation. The Alpha 1 release cut has started, but there's some issues with the container images that I think Mark is going to talk about. And we've scheduled our draft PR meeting for Friday. We've also started the major themes discussion thread. So if you click on the link, it'll lead you to the major themes discussion that was just created.
Sounds good, Nina. Thanks. I saw the discussion at the Slack, so let's wait until the Alpha 1 code is ready. And is there any question to Nina or release notes team? If not, we can continue with comms with Frederick.
Hello. So our current status is green. A couple updates. We have our comms lead who will attend the February 6th leads meeting in order to remind leads about a future blog opportunity and requirements. So please start thinking about that. We also have onboarding tasks and orientation for all of our members are now complete. We have a schedule now created to give updates to this meeting where we rotate people in and out. And we also have updated the release comms channel where you can find us and communicate with us, and we're ready to go. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Frederick. Is there any question to Frederick or to the comms team? If not, we can continue with release branch management with Mark.
Mark isn't here. He let me know that he wasn't going to be able to make it, but there was an issue with cutting Alpha 1. The images exist, they just don't have signatures. They've run into a similar problem before, so Jeremy Rickard is looking into it, but it shouldn't be a blocker for the Alpha. The link to the thread in the release management channel is there if you want more details. It's pretty extensive.
Great. Thanks, Kat, for the update.
Yep.
So we can continue with Emeritus Advisor with Grace.
Well, I think Grace said she wouldn't be here for this one either. I think she's on a plane. But yeah, she provided an update here. Shadow orientation is complete. And if you missed it, the slides and recording are both there. If you are a shadow who missed the shadow orientation, do note that that is mandatory. So please do go watch the recording.
Sounds good. Thanks, Kat. Also, the next one is the release lead section. Do you want to say anything else?
I don't really have any updates beyond that. We're still waiting to hear from Easy CLA on a fix for the issue that causes problems with branch syncs, but they're testing it they're testing it right now. Ideally, it'll be out next week, and then Drew won't have to sync branches once or twice a week anymore.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Good, good, good. Is there any question to Kat or release lead team? If not, we can continue with SIG scalability. I think there is no one from this team, but the current status is green. It says that there is an scale correctness job by 5K. It's a little bit more flaky on the network test. Those tests are flaky and it's nothing new. However, recently a single job. The status is still in green. However, if those tests will not self-stabilize, we should consider an investigation in that area. And they share a link to that topic or test in test grid. So I think that is all. Is anyone have anything else to be recorded in this meeting? If not, thanks everyone. I will stop the recording for now.